Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we will explore Broadcom in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, and we are back to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to overlook any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capability of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2024, our system has identified Broadcom as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.44. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis have experienced an impressive gain of 10.28% since we initially designated Broadcom as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This represents an average return of 0.47% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a pullback towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the top trend line, priced at $186.67, would initially indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 14.03% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 8.28% to positive 17.29%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a substantial change of 85.38% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between 48.68% and 90.64%. This represents a price range from $269.83 to $345.98 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Broadcom. On the last trading day, the stock price of Broadcom decreased by 2.27%, dropping from $185.69 to $181.48. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.90%, moving from a low of $177.40 to a high of $182.55. Over this period, the price has seen ups and downs, resulting in a gain of 5.09% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased by 7 million shares on that day, despite the falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, slightly increasing the risk in the coming days. In total, 23 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.15 billion. Looking back over the last 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $186.42, while the lowest was $81.83. Currently, the price stands 2.65%, or $4.94, below the 52-week high of $186.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom, which trades under the ticker symbol AVGO, continues to attract investor interest due to its impressive performance, having more than doubled its stock price over the past year. As of the 10th of October, 2024, Broadcom is well known not only for its strong financials, showcasing significant revenue and earnings growth, but also for robust free cash flow and industry-leading profit margins. Analysts see potential for further gains as the demand for artificial intelligence technology accelerates, placing Broadcom at the forefront of this burgeoning market. Recently, the stock has been recognized among the top performers in the Standard & Poor's 500 index, which may enhance investor confidence and encourage further inflows. The ongoing competition between Broadcom and Taiwan Semiconductor for a position in the exclusive trillion-dollar club underscores the company's critical role in the semiconductor industry. With semiconductor sales on the rise, largely fueled by cloud computing and artificial intelligence applications, Broadcom stands to gain significantly from this trend. In the short term, the stock's recent fluctuations in response to inflation data may present opportunities for astute investors. Nevertheless, the long-term outlook remains strong, with analysts optimistic about continued growth into 2025 and beyond, solidifying Broadcom's status as a bellwether in the technology sector. This combination of increasing demand and solid financial metrics makes Broadcom an appealing choice for both growth-oriented and income-focused investors. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AVGO a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated AVGO as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies provided AVGO with a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that William Blair assigned AVGO an outperform grade with an initiate action. On Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company rated AVGO as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. Today, the stock is showing mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and since then, it has decreased by 2.4%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. On a positive note, the Broadcom stock is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. There is also a general buy signal derived from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected around the levels of $179.64 and $166.01. Should the stock fall below any of these levels, it would trigger sell signals. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 237 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $171.10 and $160.68. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support. In this case, Broadcom finds support just below today's level at $171.10. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $160.68 and $137. This stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $5.15 between its high and low, which amounts to 2.90%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of December, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $1.39. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $185.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at $171.10. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of October, 2024, Brazil Mark David conducted an insider sale of 20,280 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Tan-Hak Yi executed an insider sale of 20,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 4th of October, 2024, Tan-Hak Yi again conducted an insider sale of 20,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 1st of October, 2024, Tan-Hak Yi carried out an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 25th of September, 2024, Samueli Henry conducted an insider sale of 142,988 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 60.186. In total, insiders have purchased 301,150 shares and sold 907,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $174.83, representing a decrease of 3.67%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Broadcom stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of October, we expect Broadcom to open down by $1, starting at $180.48. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day from all of us here at Stock Invest.